Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have our player of the game, Rafi Rivas, and winning coach, Coach Chito Victorera of Magnolia. Gentlemen, congratulations. I'll start with you, Coach. Nabanggit mo na the mentality tonight is game 1 na to ng playoffs para sa inyo. With the way you executed and defended, kung preview to ng ilalaro nyo sa playoffs, how do you like your chances?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to thank Jesus Christ for the win. And yun yung mentality namin eh. From the preparation, I want them to feel the playoff atmosphere. And I trust my players. Whenever backs against the wall or do or die games, I trust the guys na they will perform on their very best. And credit to them all. Talagang pinaghandaan nila. Credit to all the players dahil sila naman yan eh. Sila nag-execute, sila dumipensa, sila nag-usap. Kami, guidance lang naman kami, preparation lang. But all of them, it boils down to the players. And credit to them because they work hard. Even sabi ko nga sa kanila, kanina pinag-usapan namin, Kap, it's 48 minutes. If you don't play 48 minutes against this champion team, you will not survive. So it's a learning experience again. Down the stretch, we're relax a little bit because kala namin palo na. And then, yun, nagkaroon pa sila ng chance. But ano pa rin, credit to players pa din because up to the last minute of the game, last second of the game, we play our very best.
Thank you, Coach. Rafi, you played extended minutes tonight. And there is a reason why Coach Chito, whom you have a long history with, put you in. Just talk about the role that you played and will continue to play for the team on and off the court.
Credit to the coaches. First of all, I'd like to thank them also for continuously believing in me and knowing what I'm capable of doing. It's because it's a playoff atmosphere. I've been here many times, and I know what it takes to get to the next round, and it's just trying to go all out, do what I can, whether I'm on the court or off the court. My role doesn't stop.